Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today my topic is regarding Snipe IT asset management tool, and I am going to guide you how you can add all of the your licenses detail in your Snipe IT server using a single CSV file. If you guys familiar with this tool will be very useful for the organization to keep systematic and automated record of your asset licenses, consumable components, and many more things. So today I am going to show you how you can download that sample that will be used to import all your available licenses to your Snipe IT asset management tool. On the website, you simply have to find this importing assets and more option and scroll down a bit. If you see here sample CSV download, you have to download the sample licenses import CSV file and you have to save that file and open this file. This is the licenses default format. This file contain name, email, username, item name, and category, serial number, manufacturer, purchase date, purchase cost, purchase order, order number, license to the name, license to the email, expiration date of the license, maintained, resignable, seats, company, supplier notes, and all these options. And this is the format which will be supported by Snipe IT licenses. So you have to change and add your licenses detail according to your organization. Then you have to save this licenses file and what is the next step? You if you are adding a single license, you will simply have to click on this licenses button and click on this create new button and add these detail according to your organization. If you are importing the whole licenses file, you want all the details in one step, you have to find this import button in the main menu and click on this button, and here you have to attach that CSV file which contain all the information about your licenses, and the CSV file has been uploaded to your server successfully. This is the default date and time, and you have to click on this menu button and select the type which you are importing from the CSV file. I am going to import licenses. I have already told you guys about this update existing value and click on this import button. The processing will started and it will take time according to your CSV file size, and all the licenses has been successfully imported to your Snipe IT asset management tool. These are the simple steps. You can do all these uh, components, all these scenario to your Snipe IT do using all these sample CSV files. You can download all these from here and change them according to your requirement, and then you have to attach or upload that file to your server, and then you have to select that file and type of the component or the asset, accessories, consumable, user you are going to import to your server. Hope you guys understood this scenario very well. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues, and students. Please support me and my channel. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.